What if I told you that you could have a delicious dish on your dinner table in 20 minutes? These salmon tacos are the perfect recipe to make on those busy evenings when you want a quick and flavorful meal. Seriously, these salmon tacos are so simple to make and taste extra special with a dollop of avocado salsa. Y'all know I love avocados because they add health benefits and versatility to Mexican dishes. Combine salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder, and sprinkle on top of fillets. Heat olive oil over medium heat and cook salmon until skin is crispy for about 4 to 5 minutes. Flip and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's get to my favorite part. Let's make an avocado salsa. Add 1 ripe avocado, some plain yogurt, 1 jalapeno or serrano for some extra heat, lime juice, salt, and cilantro. Blend until creamy. Fresh avocados are a heart-healthy fruit. They provide naturally good fats, are low in saturated fat, and are cholesterol, sugar, and sodium-free. Flake the salmon and place it on lightly charred corn tortillas and dollop with a spicy, creamy avocado salsa. Garnish with jalapenos, onion, cilantro, and a generous drizzle of lime juice. Avocados hold deep roots in Mexican culture. They symbolize a rich cultural heritage and contribute a distinct flavor to traditional dishes. Consider adding fresh avocados to your diet. Why? Because they are versatile, delicious, and a healthy heart fruit. A healthy heart is essential for overall health. The good fat found in avocados are called unsaturated fats and considered good fats that can help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol in your blood, which in turn lowers risk of heart disease and strokes. It's never too early or too late to eat healthier. Enjoy y buen provecho!